Welcome back. Let's start by understanding what Python is. Python is a very powerful and user-friendly programming language that was created by Guido von Rossum in the early 1990s. It's an interpreted language, which means that you don't need to compile your code before running it. You can just write your code and directly execute it without any additional steps. Think of Python as a tool that allows you to communicate with computers and give you instructions so that you can give instructions to perform various tasks. It's like learning a new language, but instead of speaking to humans, you will be speaking to machines. Python is designed to be easy to read and write, making it great choice for beginners and experienced. So now let's talk about some important programming concepts that you will encounter in Python. Python offers different ways of organizing your code, such as using variables to store and manipulate data. And you will learn about data types like numbers, text, lists, dictionaries that help you work with different kinds of information. And Python also provides you a tool for making decisions using condition and loops, which will allow your program to take decision paths, different decision paths based on certain conditions or repeat task multiple times. And Python has the ability to create its own functions, which are like mini programs within your main program. Functions let you reuse the code and make your program more organized and efficient. So now let's answer the main question: why choose Python when there are so many other languages out there, right? We have Java, we have C Sharp, we have C++. So why Python? First of all, Python is an incredibly versatile. It can be used for web development, data analytics, machine learning, game development, and so much more. Python has a friendly and supportive community of developers. You will find plenty of resources, tutorials, and help whenever you get stuck or have questions. And another reason to choose Python is its extensive library collection. They are ready made pieces of code called libraries that can save you time and effort. You can think of them as handy tools that other programmers have already built for you to use. And Python's syntax is also beginner friendly. Its clean and readable code makes it easier to understand and learn, even if you are new to programming. And lastly, Python is a cross platform, which means you can write code on one or more one operating system, like say Windows, and run it on another, like Mac OS or Linux, without having to make any major changes. So, guys, get ready to embark on Python adventure where you will discover the joy of coding and endless possibilities that await you.